Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 3 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. But first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates like these. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below and you can use it for your personal purposes. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and then you're going to go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert this diamond shape and you're going to use the same size for the height and the width of this shape. So let's put it into the middle and the center of the template and remove its outline and go to Format Shape and go to Fill and go to Picture Texture Fill and insert a picture from either your device, stock images, or online pictures into this shape. So the image I'm going to use is the image of this mountain, but as you can see, the image is not really nice. So let me just rechange the image. I'll just reselect the image for my online pictures or my device. As you can see, I have like stored plenty of images. So I'll just pick up a nice image. So this image looks just perfect. Now the next thing we're going to do is give it this shape shadow. And we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and remove its fill and give it an outline and increase its size by 1 centimeter of height and 1 centimeter of width. Here you go. Now let's give it the outline using eyedropper. And let's duplicate the shape of with the picture by pressing Ctrl plus D and we're just gonna decrease its size and then send it to the back. Now go to picture format and then go to crop option to adjust the size of the image that is just in accordance to the like the middle shape. That is this larger shape. So we'll just increase this image size in the accordance of the previous shape. So let me just adjust it again because I think that our images in the both of the shapes are not properly arranged and in not the same equal distance. So as you can see, now they are in proper distance. Now what we're going to do next is select this small rectangle and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D again. And then we're gonna like move it onto the right side and then send it to the back and here it ends. So let's just use this crop option to adjust the position of this image to center the picture. And let's increase the transparency of the outlined shape. So this is how it looks, but you can like change the background's color if you want and do some more customization if you want. So that's all I had to teach you today in this video. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these. But by the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And then you can customize the images and the shapes to use it for your own personal purposes.